Okay, I'm kind of on the north side of our camper, so it's a little bit quieter here, but I believe what you see here, we are in the middle of a dirt devil. See the sun? It's like that all the way around, but right now I'm on the back side of the house where it's not, the wind isn't hitting us so hard. But if you see that right there, you see it? See the dust? You can't even see the mountains now. That is all dust. That's a cloud up there. But if I step around this side of the camper, here it goes.